I'm just trying to keep it creaking the stop. It's not gonna work.
Your brain is more active. Now I know there's going to be those days where you're not feeling it, things are going bad, right? And it's okay if you're telling them that you forgot and you're slouching a little bit. But when that teacher asks you to slant, I need you ready right now to slant and sit up. And here's what I need to do. I need to like stretch out a little bit, stretch out.
Excuse me. It's a lot. If you're having a problem, get a change.
The team slant stands for practice speaker. That means as I move, your neck moves. So don't go too fast, don't get too flash. As I move, I should see your head and your eyes following me. And this is how you're going to get a job, right? You're going to be the one sitting in a group somewhere, and somebody's going to be the person who later decides that they're going to hire you. And you got people around here who knows what they're doing, but that person's going to notice that you're the one who's sitting up. You're the person who's tracking the speaker. And my final thing about this is it just feels better in the long haul. Slouching down in your chair, head on the desk, it might feel good in the moment, but it feels good the way eating a whole bag of Cheetos by yourself feels, right? You eat a whole bag of